Join us at Central Jamia Mosque Ghamkol Sharif this Ramadan as we look at a verse of the Qur'an from every single chapter of the Holy Qur'an over the next 30 days on 30 different topics.
This Ramadan 1443, we are also initiating a monthly gathering of Hadith Recital, traditionally known as Majlisul Hadith, where we will be covering the words of the beloved Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This will take place on Sunday the 10th of April after Salatul Dhuhr, which is at 2 p.m. for brothers and sisters, where we will be covering the hadith work compiled by Imam Yusuf al-Nabahani rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh on the virtues of the noble Qur'an. Attend with manners and etiquettes of the session, sign up, and at the end of the session you will also receive a certificate of attendance.
Sincerity in prayer and dua, a much needed course this Ramadan for our sisters, taking place every Friday from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. in Ghamkol Sharif Library. Be sure to sign up.
Join us for our annual Zakat course, taking place on Saturday the 23rd of April after Salatul Dhuhr. Within this course we will be covering the rules of Zakat. How do you know if Zakat is fard? When do you pay Zakat? How do you pay Zakat, and who do you pay Zakat to? Zakat is an obligation, a fard upon Muslims. So it is a fard upon you to learn the rules of Zakat. Sign up and attend. Purification and prayer course, Tahara and Salah course, taking place over the last 10 days of the blessed month of Ramadan in the masjid for brothers. Please attend this. This will take place from Asr all the way to Iftar time, where you will go over the theoretical aspect of purification and prayer, and also the practical aspect of purification and prayer, and common questions revolving around both.
We're very honored to have Shaykh Abu Adam Akhlaq from Darul Qurra, an Islamic research center, delivering a primer in Tajweed known as Tuhfat ul-Atfal here at Central Jamia Mosque Ghamkol Sharif this Ramadan in the Easter holidays. This will be taking place on Monday the 11th of April to the 14th of April, which is a Thursday, and thereafter the following week from Monday the 18th of April to the 21st of April. There's approximately over 8 days. The details of times are to follow. Please be sure to sign up and join us for that amazing course. We'll be having a day of commemoration of the life, works and achievements of the great Shaykh Muhammad bin Alawi al-Maliki al-Makki rahimahullah ta'ala, coinciding with the date of his passing in the month of Ramadan, which is equivalent in the Gregorian calendar to Saturday the 16th of April. Inshallah, here at Central Jamia Mosque Ghamkol Sharif, we'll be honored to host a commemoration of the great Shaykh in the company of some of his blessed family. Be sure to sign up and be a part of that amazing commemoration. And finally, join us for Laylatul Eid here at Central Jamia Mosque Ghamkol Sharif on the night of Eid, where we'll be listening to recitals of the Holy Qur'an, recitals of Qasida Burda, praises of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. There'll be tea and sweets for all to enjoy before we celebrate Eid al-Fitr, inshallah Azza wa Jal.